Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Geoguessr with friends. So let's dive in. First things first, everyone needs a Geoguessr account, so make sure you and your friends are signed up and logged in. Now, once you're in, you want to click on play from the main menu. And then what you want to do is you want to click on party, this one right here. Inside the party menu, you'll see several options. So from here, you have an option to invite friends, join party, unlock parties, and this is where private games happen. You can play with friends and family, choose different game modes, and even customize maps and settings. One important thing to know, the host must have a GeoGuessr Pro subscription to unlock parties. So I'll show you what it looks like. This is, so you can see here, the premium account. Now, whoever is hosting needs to upgrade and click unlock parties and then choose a subscription plan. And once the party is created, the host will get a party code. Your friends don't need Pro. They just click on join another party, and from here they'll have to enter the code, and once done, they're in. That's it. That's how you play GeoGuessr with friends quickly and easily. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.